Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a Discord server step by step. So let's dive right in. Now to be able to create a server in Discord is very simple. All you need to do is to open your Discord server, look over here on the left side, you will see here an option, add server or add a server, and by clicking on the plus icon, you can initiate this process. Now you can create a lot of servers for different purposes. You could start creating a server on your own, or you could choose between many templates available for us right now. There are different templates from gaming to school club, study group, friends, artists and creators, and local community. Each has a very unique template, which you can of course recreate when you create your own. But if you don't want to spend the time and effort to set all of those things up and you want a very quick setup, you could start with a template. So what I would like to do is to be able to create my own and also create a server based on the template. So those are our agenda for today's video. I will be showing you those two processes. So for creating your very own server, you could simply select create my own over here, just like that. And you're basically going to tell Discord more about your server because it will depend on how your Discord will be set up. You could choose for me or my friends, meaning your Discord server will be a bit private, or you could have a club or community where Discord will know that the server that you have will be a bit more public. Or you could skip this question entirely if you're not yet sure, but for us, let's say it's for me and my friends. So simply select that option. And over here, you can upload a photo for your server, which you will be able to see over here on the left side, where servers typically have photos of their design or rather their server. You can choose any photo that you want. And over here, you can simply put in the server name that you want. So let's say my server name is Tech Tricks Tutorial. Something like that. Click on create. And just like that, we will be able to create our very own server over here named Tech Trick Tutorial. Of course, our server is pretty empty over here. As you can see, there's nothing on our server because we selected start from scratch, or rather, we selected the option to create my own without using any template. And without any template, this is what your Discord server would look like. There would be only one text channels, one voice channel. You could add more text channel by clicking on create channel over here, as you can see. And then you could have a new channel name over here. So let's say tutorials for Discord. Something like that. And then you could choose the channel type, whether it's for text or a voice, where people can join and talk. Or you could also make it a private channel where only selected members and roles will be able to view this channel. So if they are not a selected member or they are not the corresponding role, they will not be able to access the channel that you are creating. And just like that, I was able to add a channel. I could modify the channel if I want. I could modify the channel name, the channel topic, the slow-mo mode, add a slow-mo mode. If I want to have an age-restricted channel, I could also enable this, as you can see. And I could also hide after inactivity. If this channel is not really that active, it will hide from the public. You could modify permissions, invites, integrations, and many more, as you can see here. Now you could also easily delete it by doing the same thing, going into edit channel, and you can simply click on delete channel if you prefer that. Like a typical channel, you could use it. So let's say hello and do other things as well. You could do the same thing with voice channels, as you can see here. Simply indicate the name and all of those things as well. You can check out your threads, your notification, your pinned message, your member list. Now, with this channel, you will be able to invite people easily by simply giving them giving the other people your invite link, which is this one over here. You could either set it to expire within 7 days or set it up to never expire if you want this link, or if you want your Discord link to be out in public for a very long time and you are expecting people to join over time. So you could set that up just like that. There's a bunch of things that you could set up over here, like your server settings over here. You could have, or you could modify your inactive channel, inactive timeout, server name, server messages, roles. You could add them over here, set up. If you want to have a role for your different members, you could set that up. You could create a role over here, just like this. You could put their role name over here. So let's say admin, then make it yellow. If you want to add a color, you could add that as well. There's also emojis over here that you could add specifically for your server, stickers, soundboards, widgets, and many more. Now, since it's already 6 minutes, let's actually show you guys what our server would look like when we try to upload something with a template. So over here, we're going to choose maybe gaming. Let's do the same thing for me and my friends. Click on create. And now as you can see, it's going to be a little bit different. Of course, it's not going to be a perfect template, but there will be an additional things over here, as you can see, that are, pre-made for a gaming lobby, as you can see here. So we'll leave this channel over here. We could invite our friends, personalize your server with icons, send your first message, download the Discord app, or add your first app over here into your servers as well. You could create events in your Discord server. As you can see here, create events. If you want to have an event held in your Discord server, you could do that just like that. You could view your different member lists that are currently in your server. And if you want to add some fun, you could go and visit this platform over here called TopGG, where you could invite all sorts of bots that would help improve your server liveliness or even server security. So for example, in-house queue, we could click on invite. There we go. You will be redirected to your Discord. Simply click on continue after selecting your server, of course. So let's go with Tectrix tutorial. Select all the access that it is asking you to do. Authorize. I am human. Now let's go back. And we will be able to see, as you can see, we now have our bot joined into our server. Now you could check out the different roles or the different abilities of the Discord bot that you're adding in the platform that we showed you earlier. So make sure that you read and check out the different bots. Look for bots that would improve the way you want your server to run. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.